Hello guys, welcome to KidzzzTech. So in this video, I'll be showing how to run Android apps on any Windows machine. So we'll be using an Android emulator, and by the name itself, you can understand that this piece of software kind of emulates the experience which you get on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we will be using an Android emulator named Memu Play, and go to the link in the description which opens this page. The official download page. There are many features like good graphics and smart controls for gaming, multiple instances, which means you can run many Android emulators, and etc. I use this for my app testing purpose. So let's download it. Now click on the installer, run it. Now you can click on install now. Click on accept. If you want this browser Opera, you can click on accept. I don't want this, so I click decline. It starts the installation process in the background. It's lightweight and it's only 400 MB when compared to other emulators which take about a gig or so. It will open a thank you page. You can close it if you want. Now when it says 100%, click on finish. You can either launch it or close the window. I click on close. So you will have two apps named Memo and Multi Memo. So Memo is the main emulator which we want, and Multi Memo is like a what we saw in the website. It says multi instance. So we can run and create multiple instances from this app. Now we'll be running this main emulator Memo. This is the emulator. It has a clean interface. It shows an intro guide. You can click into if you want. Guys, you need to do some tweaks before you get started. So as you can see, the cursor is a bit awkward and we have to change that. Now as you can see, there are three lines which is a menu. Click on that and go to settings. It will open this. You can also change other settings from this if you want. You can change the performance, display, storage, and etc. We'll just go to appearance and click on mouse cursor style. If you click any of these, it will change to the respective one. But if you click on the fourth one, it will just change it to the current one you have on your normal desktop. I have this icon, and even if I run the mouse icon in this, it will be the same. Click on OK. As you can see, the icon has been changed. And other problem is the time hasn't been set properly. It's 11:36, but it says 26. We can go to settings and go down to date and time. If this doesn't work, click on select time zone and select the time zone you are in. I would select Kolkata GMT 5:30. And as you can see, the time matches 11:37 and 11:37. So I'll be showing a small tutorial on how to install apps. It's the same thing how you do on your Android mobile phone. Go to Play Store. It takes a bit time, and the first time you install the app and try to open the Play Store, you have to sign in to your Google account. Click on sign in. I'll come back after I sign in. So guys, I have signed in and I'll just show you how to install YouTube on this. You can search as usual, go to YouTube and get YouTube from here. Click on install. Simple. If you click on open, the YouTube app opens. It's fully functional and this looks very good. It doesn't have any compatibility issues. Yes, it may have if the app is not tab friendly, but you can still run most of the apps without any problems on this emulator. I'll just show you a playback demo.
Everyone wants to make an impact, a serious, lasting impact which shakes the ground.
The Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G.
Yes, it runs very smooth without any issues. So guys, this is how you run any Android app on your PC. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tips from me. Bye bye.